So it's been a while.
Well, let me just adjust you guys so you get a better view than just me.
Thanks for joining me on the video. I didn't post last week, obviously. If you subscribe and you follow along and you actually wait for my videos, didn't post last week. I didn't have anything to do. Kind of my fault. So I'm gonna try to keep this short and simple since it's an update video. It's just gonna be me talking, and who the hell wants to actually listen to that? But I left myself some talking notes here, so we could hit these quick, move along, wait for next video. Obviously, this is just an update video of what's going on. Nothing much with the cars right now. So, been doing a lot of housework. Got a treadmill sitting over there because I'm getting fat. 190E is sitting in the driveway right now, getting soaked by the rain. Trunk leaks a little bit. Gonna have to check that out at one point. So, what we got going on is, let's start with the 190E. The 190E, suspension's here. So, let's get the whole rundown. I think like back in May, my wife ordered, maybe even earlier than that, wife ordered the suspension from Throttle. Some of you probably know it from, they do car giveaways through TJ Hunt, all that stuff. Ordered it through them, ordered the Bilstein suspension for the 190E. Turns out it was back ordered. Obviously the whole pandemic going on. Not surprised, everything takes a little bit longer these days, especially this year. But waited, emailed, all right, next month, all right, got word, it's supposed to be another month, whatever it is. Turns out last email my wife sent was that basically they're back ordered till they don't know when. So what they wound up doing was finding her another setup, which would be about H&R springs and Coney shocks / struts. This setup is actually more expensive, but Throttle hooked it up, just made an even swap, I guess, because we were waiting so long, and they actually gave us a 10% off, or maybe it was 15% off code to use on the next purchase. So big ups to those guys. Those guys are awesome. They definitely got my service. They definitely have my business from now on, because they didn't have to do that. That was pretty awesome of them. So thumbs up. So anyway, anyone interested in this car, if you're new to the channel, probably should have went over this before, but this is my 240SX S14. Has an rb25 swap, motor build. I have a whole motor build series if you want to check that out. rb25, making 535 horsepower. Pretty awesome, fun car. The last video with this, if you want to go check it out, it was a miserable day, kind of like today actually. Raining and shitty. Broke the key in the ignition. Well, I actually broke the key in the trunk. Then tried to get the car started, had to rewire my push to start. Got that working, then I wanted to leave steering wheel locked because you need the key to unlock the steering wheel. Whole big fiasco. Go check that video out. I'll link it up here. Haven't touched the car. That's the only update on that. Still sitting exactly how I left it. It is what it is. I've just been very unmotivated lately to do any work on the cars. I don't know what it is, just haven't had the motivation. Other update, which should hopefully motivate me, is the body. Last I heard, the body kit is supposed to be coming for this car. They said it was going to be in the November shipping container from Japan. I believe my friend told me last thing he ordered took about 6 weeks to ship. So keep your fingers crossed for that one, that I get it soon-ish. Who knows? But that's supposed to eventually be coming. I still have to figure out what hood I'm gonna go with and lighting setup, because I need new headlights. Might see if I could fit the rear bumper and have it removable so I could run just the bash bar, because I kind of like this look with just the bash bar. Pretty cool to me, at least. I don't know. So that's the update on that. One video I'm thinking of filming just to throw another one out there for you guys in the content, which actually people seem to love / hate. Get more hate on it, but whatever. It amuses me that people get so upset about it. Is a 5 things I hate video. So I have one on my old V6 Mustang that people love to complain about that video. Go check that one out, read the comments. They're actually pretty amusing how upset people get. Then I have a 5 things I hate about my daily driver BMW, which another thing people like to complain about that. So what I might do is a 5 things, or however many things I could come up with, things I hate about my Colorado ZR2. Stay tuned for that video. subscribe for that, I guess. I don't know. I've been doing some Colorado content because I'm actually more motivated to work on the truck here and there than the car. I don't know why. Look out for that video. I only have one day off this weekend, so I might edit a video I have stored in the bank, or I might throw out actually 2 videos I just have stored on my computer. One is a motor swap video at my friend's house, my friend Jiff. He has a, I don't know what year Civic, because I'm not into Civics, but he has a Civic we were doing a case swap on it. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably edit that video and throw that out maybe next week. And I also have like a ride along of my one friend Noel, who actually has a YouTube channel, so go check him out. I'll link his channel somewhere, maybe at the end of the video. A ride along in this car, probably just some raw footage. Didn't really do much like talking about it. It was just kind of like a quick ride along because he wanted to feel the car, because he's also building an rb25 240Z. Go subscribe to him, check him out too. But that's it. That's all I got. Sorry there was no video last week. Like I said, I've been really busy with other extracurricular stuff not involving cars. So I will see you guys soon, probably next week. Peace out. Subscribe, like, comment. Leave some comments if you have any video ideas for me, because if I don't have any parts, I don't know what to install or what to film here. I might do one trying to fix the 240 back here. That's it. That's all I got for you. See you later. Subscribe. Peace.